And other important question, if value of A is equal to 1201, then prove that A transpose whole transpose is equal to A. Dear students, we know that the value of A is 1201. We name it equation 1. Now we take transpose on both sides. A transpose will be equal to 1201 transpose. So A transpose will be equal to, now first row is converted into first column, so it will become 1 2, and second row will become second column. So second row is 0 1, now it will be second column 0 1. Simply first row is converted into first column and second row is converted into second column. Again take transpose on both sides. So A transpose whole transpose will be equal to 1021 transpose. A transpose whole transpose will be equal to, now again taking transpose, first row is converted into first column and second row is converted into second column. If we see this matrix, it will be similar as equation 1. So we can say that A transpose whole transpose is equal to 1201 is the value of A. So we have proved that A transpose whole transpose is equal to A, hence proved.